In this video, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-factor ng polynomials. Simulan natin sa example na to. I-factor natin yung 4x raised to 4 minus 16x cubed plus 16x squared. The first step here is to find the common monomial factor. And the common monomial factor is just the greatest common factor of these three algebraic terms. I have a separate video discussing that, so I highly recommend na panoorin nyo muna yon. Kasi mas mahihirapan kayo kung di pa kayo marunong kumuha ng common monomial factor. Anyway, the common monomial factor or the GCF of the three terms is 4x squared. And then parenthesis, and then we will divide. 4x raised to 4 divided by 4x squared. Obviously, 4 divided by 4 cancel out na yan. Tapos, x to the 4th power divided by x squared. Subtract nyo lang yung powers. So, x squared. And then minus, next, divide ulit. 16x cubed divided by 4x squared. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Tapos, x cubed divided by x squared. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, 4x. And lastly, 16x squared divided by 4x squared. Yung x squared, cancel out na yan. Tapos, 16 divided by 4 is 4. So, 4. Ngayon, meron tayong quadratic trinomial dito. And you can factor that any way you want. Pwede kayong mag-standard factoring. But in this instance, mas madali kung gagamit kayo ng perfect square trinomial. Because this is a perfect square trinomial. And recall natin yung formula for the perfect square trinomial if you have a squared plus or minus 2ab plus b squared. The factored form is a plus or minus b and then squared. Rewrite natin ngayon yung ating expression. 4x squared times x squared. Tapos itong 4 express din natin as a square plus 2 squared. 2 squared is equal to 4. And then we have a minus here. So minus. Ngayon, kung i-compare natin sa formula, yung a natin is yung x. Tapos yung b is 2. Tapos yung middle term daw natin, 2 times a times b. 2 times a is x, times b is 2. And to confirm, 2 times x times 2 is 4x, which tells us na ito ay perfect square trinomial. And dahil perfect square trinomial yan, madali na ang factored form. So 4x squared, and then ang factored form ay ito. So sundan natin. A is x. So x, and then minus b is 2, and then squared. This is the factored form. Next, let us factor 2y raised to 5 minus 18y cubed. For this one, ang common monomial factor niyan is 2y cubed. And then let's divide. 2y raised to 5 divided by 2y cubed. Cancel out na dyan yung 2. Yan. Tapos, y raised to 5 divided by y cubed is y squared. And then, minus 18y cubed divided by 2y cubed. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And then, y cubed, cancel out na yung y cubed. So, 9. And for this one, yung binomial na yan, that's difference of 2 squares. Because we can rewrite as 2y cubed and then times y squared minus 9 is 3 squared. Ngayon, i-recall natin yung formula for difference of 2 squares. A squared minus b squared. Ang factors form daw nito ay a plus b times a minus b. Kung i-compare natin, a is y, while b is 3. So, sundan na natin yung pattern. This is equal to 2y cubed times, eto na, a plus b times a minus b. So, y plus 3 times y minus 3. This is the factored form. Next, let us factor 8x cubed plus 27. For this one, i-express ko muna bawat terms as a cube. Yung 8x cubed, we can express that as 2x cubed, right? 2 cubed is 8, and then x cubed. Ganun din sa may 27. 27 is 3 cubed. Now, this is in the form of sum of two cubes, a cubed plus b cubed. And ang formula, ang expanded form niyan is a plus b times a squared minus ab and then plus b squared. Compare natin, a is 2x while b is 3. So, sundan lang natin yung pattern. Therefore, this is equal to, ito muna, a plus b, a is 2x, plus b, b is 3. And then times a squared, dito na tayo. So, a is 2x, 2x squared, minus a times b, a is 2x, b is 3, plus b squared, b is 3. Let's proceed. 2x plus 3. And then 2x squared is 4x squared. 2x times 3 is 6x minus 6x. And then 3 squared is 9. Ito na ngayon yung factored form. How about this one? Let's factor 64x cubed minus 1. Now, we can rewrite this as itong 64, perfect cube yan eh. So, we can express that as 4x cubed. 4 cubed is 64 and then x cubed. Meanwhile, 1 right here is also a perfect cube. That's 1 cube. Now, we have difference of two cubes. A cubed minus b cubed. And the expanded form, rather the factored form, is a minus b and then times a squared plus ab plus b squared. A is 4x, b is 1. Sundan natin itong pattern. A minus b, so a is 4x, b is 1. And then times a squared, a is 4x again, plus a times b, 4x times 1, and then plus b squared, b is 1. Simplify na lang natin. So we have 4x minus 1, and then times 4x squared is 16x squared. 4x times 1 is 4x. Tapos 1 squared is 1. This is the factored form. Next, let us factor 16y raised to 5 minus 250y squared. Okay, for this one, maglabas tayo ng common monomial factor. The common monomial factor is 2y squared. And then we will divide. 16y raised to 5 divided by 2y squared. 16 divided by 2 is 8, while y raised to 5 divided by y squared is y cubed. So 8y cubed. And then minus 250y squared divided by 2y squared. 250 divided by 2 is 125. Meanwhile, y squared is cancelled out. So, okay na yan. And then, itong binomial na yan, difference of two squares yan. Kasi we can rewrite 2y squared, and then 8y cubed, sulat natin as a cube, 2y cubed. And then 125 is 5 cubed. We know the formula of difference of two cubes. A cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Susundan lang natin yan. Our a is 2y, b is 5. So, 2y squared, and then ito, a minus b. So, 2y minus 5. And then, ito, a squared, a is 2y. 2y squared, and then plus a times b. So, 2y times 5 plus b squared, 5 squared. Simplify na lang natin. 2y squared times 2y minus 5. And then simplify natin to. 2y squared is 4y squared. Plus 2y times 5 is 10y. Plus 5 squared is 25. This is the factored form. Let us try one more. Let's factor 16x to the fourth power minus 81. First, i-rewrite natin. 16x to the fourth power can be expressed as 4x squared and then squared. Right? 4 squared is 16. Tapos x squared and then squared is x raised to 4. Minus 81 is 9 squared. So this is a difference of two squares. A squared minus b squared. Alam naman natin na ang factored form niyan ay a plus b times a minus b. Sundan lang natin yung pattern. A is 4x squared while b is 9. A plus b, so 4x squared plus 9, and then times a minus b, 4x squared minus 9. Okay na ba yan? Hindi pa. Kasi, itong 4x squared minus 9, difference of two squares ulit yan. So, 4x squared plus 9, and then 4x squared is 2x squared minus yung 9 is 3 squared. And once again, we will apply difference of two squares. A is 2x, b is 3. Therefore, we have 4x squared plus 9, and then times a plus b times a minus b. So 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 3.